मम नाम अक्षरा अजय। अद्य अन्ताराष्ट्रियदासव्यापारः स्मारकस्य तस्य उन्मूलनस्य च अन्ताराष्ट्रियदिवसस्य स्मरणं भवति। इति नव उत्तरं सह दशोत्तरं सह तमे वर्षे आगस्ट् मासस्य 20तः 23 पर्यन्तं रात्रौ सेण्ट् डोमिनिका नगरे उद्युक्तेः इति गणराज्ये अस्य विद्रोहस्य आरम्भः अभवत्, यत् अट्लाण्टिक् दासव्यापारस्य उन्मूलनार्थं महत्त्वपूर्णाः भूमिकां निर्वहति स्म। अयम् अन्ताराष्ट्रियदिवसः सर्वेषां जनानां स्मृतौ दासव्यापारस्य दुःखघटनानाम् अभिलेखयितुम् उद्दिष्टः अस्ति इत्युक्तः अहं विवरयामि। दासव्यापारस्य उन्मूलनस्य दिवसस्य च स्मरणम् आदरितुं स्किट् प्रस्तुतः पाठनम् आमन्त्रः। धन्यवादः।
शिक्षकाः च दासव्यापारस्य उन्मूलनस्य च अन्ताराष्ट्रियदिने स्वागतम्। अद्य इतिहासस्य एकस्य अन्धकारतमः अध्यायस्य उपरि सङ्घर्षणं बलिदानं मानवतायाः विजयं च समर्थुं वयं समागच्छामः। अष्टमीकक्षायाः छात्रैः इदं नाटकं प्रस्तुतं भवति।
Excuse me, miss. Are you okay?
Where am I?
You are in a park.
A park? This doesn't look like a plantation. Where are the houses and the master's wheel?
Relax. You are not on a plantation anymore. It's 2023. Slavery has been abolished.
2023? I've heard whispers of such time, but I can hardly believe it.
Who is Emily talking with? Is she in a costume?
I don't think so. Let's just ask Emily.
Who are those people walking towards us?
They are my classmates. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Harriet. I'm a slave from 1743.
Oh, nice name.
Thank you. What is that?
That is a monument to commemorate the abolition of the slave trade. It is a reminder of the progress we have made.
Progress. I've never thought I'd see the day, the suffering we endured. It's being remembered.
Harriet, could you share a bit about your experience?
I was born to bondage. My family and I worked tirelessly on a plantation. We endured hardship, cruelty, and the constant fear of being sold away from each other.
Oh, it's hard to even imagine that.
But we also found ways to resist and support one another. Our hope kept us strong.
Harriet, your story reminds us that history is more than facts and figures. It's about the resilience of the human spirit.
And it's our responsibility to honor that spirit by fighting against any form of oppression that still exists today.
Together we can make sure that the horrors of the past are never forgotten, so they are never repeated.
यतः वयं दासव्यापारणस्य उन्मूलनस्य च अन्ताराष्ट्रियवेदने वाणिज्यः कूर्मं तदा स्मारामः यदा इतिहासस्य प्रतिध्वनयः अस्माकम् अधिकं मार्गदर्शनं कुर्वन्ति। अन्यस्य विरुद्धम् एके कृते भूत्वा जगतः प्रति कार्यं कूर्मं तत्र यथार्थतया स्वतन्त्रता वर्तते। धन्यवादः।